Hello, it's been a long time, but we're back and we are making pizza. Now I want to see how this sauce is going to go because it's going to be a little experimental. So here we have our wonderful pizza crust. And this is what we're going to try. We've got 3 products. Probably going to use 2/3 pizza sauce, 1/3 enchilada sauce, and actually not a whole, wait a minute, how many thirds is that?
3.
Okay, so we're going to have 2/3 pizza sauce, 1/3 enchilada sauce, and what do you call it if you just add stuff? Okay, and
Stuffy.
a couple of spoons of that, and that's the sun-dried tomato bruschetta sauce, yes. And we'll see how it comes out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.